Music is one of the fastest ways to engage children in speech and language therapy. Songs naturally support attention, memory, and repetition. And when used intentionally, they create powerful opportunities to build vocabulary, comprehension, and expressive language. But using music in therapy isn't just about pressing play. Some songs move too quickly. Lyrics can be hard to follow, especially when children have severe impairments. And without structure, kids may enjoy the song without actually learning the language targets we're working on. So the question becomes, how do we use music in a way that's interactive, goal-driven, and effective? We created a music for speech therapy library by gathering and organizing songs that teachers and SLPs use because they actually work. On this page, songs are organized by familiar classroom themes and academic topics, like community and family. The goal here is to help you use music as more than just entertainment. With the right songs and the right structure, music becomes a powerful therapy tool that supports real communication growth.